Hi, my name is Wesley Darling, and I'm the project team leader for 2020 Vision Engineering, a senior design team at the University of Tennessee, Knoxville. Our team was tasked with determining the most effective design for a connector road and entrance ramp to Pellissippi Parkway at Tennessee State Route 162, milepost 1.9. Our team worked to satisfy the criteria set forth by our client, Gresham Smith, which included items such as designing the horizontal and vertical roadway alignments, right-of-way, roadway cross-sections, as well as developing a site drainage plan, traffic control plan, a design for a retaining wall along the ramp, and performing a thorough quantities and cost estimate.
One of the most challenging aspects of this project was a nearby detention pond that was of great concern during the design process because it could greatly increase construction difficulty and cost for the project if the project was not able to avoid cutting through the pond. But to avoid the pond, the team designed the ramp to have a larger radius. However, this caused the ramp to decline in elevation more rapidly due to the given terrain. So in order to adjust for this, a retaining wall was designed to reduce the right-of-way impacts on the pond and ensure it maintained proper volumetric storage. This proved to be a challenge as the changes to the roadway layout affected the retaining wall design, and these changes affected the site drainage. Our team ended up being successful by designing these aspects in tandem and maintaining strong communication between the different groups within the team.
The current infrastructure of the project area experiences extreme traffic congestion during certain times of the week, especially on Sunday mornings. The congestion is so extreme that the Knox County Sheriff's Office sends officers every Sunday morning to put up rolling roadblocks to the traffic control. One positive aspect of our new design is that it will allow traffic to enter Pellissippi Parkway much easier, since drivers will be able to build up speed on the entrance ramp and safely merge into traffic rather than having to enter the highway from the stop position.
One positive outcome of the project for me personally was that I got to see how integrated the different disciplines of civil engineering are. In class, we're taught about structures, transportation, water resources, and construction all separately. But on a project like this, I could really see the big picture of how each plays into one another.
For this project, I found that I really enjoyed the CAD work. In the CAD class, we're basically recreating someone else's designs to intuitively learn the software. For this project, I found it really fulfilling that I got to create drawings and a model of something that I personally myself designed.
The senior design course was a rigorous experience that gave me the opportunity to explore what it means to be a practicing civil engineer.
There was no one single solution to our senior design project, which allowed me to combine engineering head knowledge with creative ingenuity.
Though CE 400 did not teach me specific material, I did learn how to find the resources and apply previous academic experiences to different design features of the project.
For future CE 400 students, this class will truly teach you how to be a design engineer and how to work independently on your own tasks, but to also see how your own work fits in with that of a team working to accomplish a common goal.
Thank you for watching, and have a great day.